Hello and welcome friends to our channel The Charting Class. I am your trading buddy Pankaj Rana and our today's video is about semi-auto trading. Friends, in semi-auto trading we execute all the orders via MT4 to your trading account, and for demonstration we are using 5paisa trading account. So this video gonna be very interesting for scalpers and intraday traders. And friends, if you are new to our channel, so please subscribe to our channel immediately, because we make this type of knowledgeable videos about share markets. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. So friends, in semi-auto trading we need two softwares. First is MT4 and second one is Bridge. So this is my MT4 and we also open my Bridge. So first we need to type in Google search the charting. So first one website is R. So I click the website. Now we need to click this login to algo trading. Then two things we can do. First is sign up and second one is login. So if you already sign up, so you need to go to login and login your account. And if you are not signed up till, so click to sign up and fill your name, email address, mobile number and your password. Friends, please note that you need to type your actual email address, because once you click the sign up button, you got a mail from us. Actually, I already signed up, so I just click to sign in and fill my email address here. Now fill my password and click to login. Now I entered to my AlgoCrab site, means our Bridge. So first we need to fill my account details, my broker account details here. I need to click this authentication. Now we need to select our broker. So here are many broker: 5paisa, Alice Blue, Angel Broking, Basant Trading, Enrich, Fires, Indra Securities, Master Trust, Samco, TradeSmart, Trustline, Zebu and Zerodha. Because we are using today 5paisa, so I just select 5paisa and fill my details, my client ID, my password and my date of birth, and need to click update. Then after we need to click get access token. Then after I need to click this validate token. Once you click that validate token, you see this message access token valid. Friends, every day you need to click this validate token before market hours. Then after your trade will be executed properly. Now because I use Bridge tool, then need to click Bridge tool and need to click marketplace. Here in marketplace many of free indicators are there, and today we are using button trading, means easy trading system. So I just click download. You can see my indicator downloaded. Now go to show in folder, copy this indicator, then go to your MT4, click to file button, go to open data folder. Now click to MQL4. Here you see two folders, one is include and second one is indicators. So I need to click this indicators and I paste my indicator here. Then I close it. One more thing you need to paste in include folder is HTTP file. So you go to your Bridge again, click to download section, and download this MQH file. Download this MQH file and copy this and paste in include folders. Then after you can able to trade automatically via your MT4. Now need to go to MT4 and click to view and add any symbol. We are using Silver Micra, so I go to MCX section and select Silver Micra. Here is Silver Micra. Then close it and open Silver Micra chart. And here is my indicator, MT4 bridge indicator. Just need to go to inputs and fill my AlgoCrab ID here. Then password. Now I need two things. First is user key and second one is instrument key. So for user key and instrument key, I need to go to again to bridge and click to MT4 bridge. Now just create a symbol and search your symbol like Silver Micra. Select this and click to save changes. So you can see my user key is my mobile number and my instrument key is unique. So I need to copy this instrument key. Then for copy, you just click here. So it automatically copied. And I need to click this start button. It started. Now go to my MT4 and type my user key here. Now instrument key. I need to keep all the things same and just click to OK. And my indicator applied here. Before push any order, I am opening my 5paisa trading account. It's login. You can see there are no any order. This is my order book. There are no any order. So I just push a order via MT4. I am just click buy button. You can see trade is executed at 10,558. Now I will go to here and just check here. It's automatically generate a buy trade here also. Now I need to close this buy position. For that I need to click close buy. I clicked here. So now you can see I need to refresh here. You can see sale order is also here. Okay. Both positions are rejected because my fund is low. And if you want to sell, then just click to sell. Now we go to our 5paisa account and just refresh here. We check my order is placed or not. So you can see there my order is pushed, sale order is done, but rejected due to fund. For close this sale position, I need to click this close sale. I clicked and I am checking my order is placed or not. You can see I am just, so my position of sale is closed now. So this is the process semi-auto trading via MT4 to your broker account. So friends, if you are interested with this indicator or this process, you can call us. If you have any query, please comment and please share this video, or you can call us. You can see my number on your screen. So friends, we will meet in our another video. Till then, bye bye, happy trading.